So I've been so busy recently with school. I've just been grinding for the last few weeks. So I really needed to take a few days to just chill. So this weekend I did literally nothing. I just relaxed. I woke up at like 12 and stayed in bed for most of the day. And I'm so glad I did because I feel so much better. But today is Monday. It's time to get back into the grind. I need to restart for a new week. Just get everything done that I've been putting off. I need to do homework and study. I need to clean my room. I want to get my nails done. I just have a long list of things to do. So in this video, we're going to be doing all of it. This is just going to be a nice restart and refresh for a new week. So let's get started. Okay, so I recently got my hair done. I went to the hair salon and I got it actually a lot lighter. I never realized how dark my hair is until I look back at pictures and I'm like, oh damn, like it's actually pretty different now. But I went in, I ended up getting a balayage so that it'll grow out nice, but it's a lot lighter. I got it trimmed, I had a lot of split ends, and I got my bangs cut. So I'm so happy with my new hair. It feels so nice and healthy. I really like the lighter color. But I also need to get my nails done, so that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want like a spring color, something cute. I'll probably get them a little shorter also. Say goodbye to the cute February nails. Obsessed with how my nails came out. They are so cute. I was thinking like springtime. I ended up getting these like blue shimmery French tips. I'm obsessed. These are definitely some of my favorite nails I've gotten. They're just so simple but so cute. I'm gonna take some pictures of them and then go inside. I need to do homework. I have a painting to get done for school tomorrow. I have a discussion post to write and responses to other students. Very fun.
Place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face.
I just had a giant vegetarian burrito, so now I'm gonna paint. I am finishing up this landscape painting I've been working on for a few weeks. It's due tomorrow. I don't really have like a setup to do this, so I'm kind of just sitting on my floor against my bed. This is my painting just sitting on the ground right here. I just have so many details to finish. I am gonna work on this. It is coming along. I'm gonna bring out a new painting sheet. I've been watching Pretty Little Liars and I just finished it, all 7 seasons. When I watched it for the first time, I was like 13, 14, so now watching it, there are so many little things that I never realized. I've been waiting to watch this video. It's an appropriately unhinged recap of Pretty Little Liars, and it's literally just this commentary about the show. I love watching these types of videos. I watched one about the Vampire Diaries, discussed the entire show, and the things that didn't make sense, and all the characters, and like, especially after watching Pretty Little Liars, there was just so much that happened. Just so many directions the show was going in, and I was like, what the fuck is going on? Okay guys, I'm taking a break from the painting. It's going pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm back in my car and I'm gonna go get a car wash. It's not really the outside of my car that needs to be cleaned, it's more the inside because it's looking so gross. The other thing that I do at the car wash is I bring my rug. I put my rug in here that's usually in my room because at the end of the car wash they have those really suction-y vacuums, so I'm gonna use that to clean my rug and clean the inside of my car. I might as well. Yeah, I'm gonna sneak my rug in and clean it at the car wash. But anyway, I'm so excited for it to be clean. My car looks so much better and now it's time to vacuum the inside. Okay guys, my car is done. It looks so much better. I am so happy I went to the car wash today. I really needed to clean the inside and it looks so nice. I need gas. Of course, my tank is literally at 0. I swear I was just at the gas station and I just got a full tank. I don't know how I'm supposed to afford this. I just paid $67 for gas. That's fucking crazy. So I'm home. My siblings and I went to get boba. I actually didn't get Thai tea. Well, I basically did. I got tiger tea, which is Thai tea and milk tea. It's so delish. It tastes just like Thai tea, but it's a little bit sweeter. So good.
I just love it again. I don't wanna talk too far. They wanna know where you are. You wanna do it.
And I am headed to the gym. I have my outfit on. So let's do it. Okay guys, so that was a long few days. I'm so happy with the productivity in this video. I honestly got so much done, from the car wash to the gym to the homework and getting everything I needed to get done. So thank you so much for watching this video. I did end up finishing that painting. If you guys want to see it, I'll insert a picture of the finished product right here. I'm not that happy with how it came out. I definitely think I could do better. I was on a time crunch at the end, so I really just wanted to wrap it up. But I really want to show more of my artwork that I make this year because I want you guys to see the stuff that I'm working on. I also went to the post office and dropped off a bunch of Poshmark orders that you guys placed after I finished my last video. In my last video, I cleaned out my closet and then listed a bunch of stuff on Poshmark, and I sold a ton of stuff. So thank you so much to everyone who bought something. I just shipped out all the orders and they should be to you in a few days. Yeah, it was a lot of stuff. It actually takes so long to like list everything on Poshmark, and then when you actually have an order that you have to package up, it takes so long to package them all up, and like, yeah, it was a process, but I got that done too. So I feel accomplished. I got so much done. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna take a nice hot shower and go to sleep. I feel like after long days like this, I'm always like just drained and I go to sleep at like 10. So I feel very prepared for a new week. It's always just good to get everything done that's been on your to-do list for a while. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end. I seriously love you all so much. I am so incredibly grateful for every single one of you who watch my videos. It seriously means so much to me and I think about it every single day. I love you all so much. So definitely subscribe and follow my other social medias to see my life outside of YouTube. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video. Definitely leave me some video requests in the comments. If you guys have anything specific you want to see, whether it's school related or anything else, then leave it down below and I will definitely do it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye! Mwah!